In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your file, upload it, and review everything so your books stay accurate and up to date. First, let's prepare your CSV file. Start by downloading your bank statement directly from your online banking portal. When you're given options for the file type, choose CSV. If your bank only gives you something like an Excel file, open that file and then save it again as a CSV or comma-delimited file. This is the format QuickBooks Online expects, and it will make the upload process much smoother. Next, you want to clean up the data in a spreadsheet tool like Excel or Google Sheets. Keep things simple. You only need 3 columns for this import: date, description, and amount. Delete any extra columns like balance, reference numbers, or anything else your bank might include that you don't actually need for bookkeeping. Now check your dates. Sometimes banks include the day of the week in the date column, for example, 2011-2023 TUE. You'll want to remove the day name so it's just the date, like 2011-2023. Also make sure all dates follow a consistent format, such as all MMDDYYY or all DDMMYYY. Consistency here helps QuickBooks read the data correctly. For credit card statements, be especially careful with amounts. Typically, any money you spend should be a negative number, and any payments or refunds should be positive. This makes it clear to QuickBooks which transactions are expenses and which are money coming back to you. Once everything looks tidy, save the file again as a CSV. Now you're ready to upload to QuickBooks Online. Log in, then go to the Transactions menu and choose Bank Transactions. Find and click the tile for the specific bank or credit card account you want to import into. At the top right of that account's feed, open the Link Account drop-down and choose Upload from File. You'll see an option to drag and drop your CSV or browse your computer to select it. Choose your prepared file and click Continue. QuickBooks will then ask you to map your columns. Match your date column to the date field, your description column to the description field, and your amount column to the amount field. Confirm those mappings and move forward. You'll see a list of the transactions from your file. Select the ones you want to bring in, then confirm to import. When that's done, click Done to return to your bank feed. Finally, review and categorize. Your imported transactions will now appear in the bank feed for that account. Go through them one by one, adding details like suppliers or customers where needed, and assign each item to the correct expense or income category. As you work, you can also create rules in QuickBooks so that similar transactions are automatically categorized in the future. This review step is what turns a simple import into clean, reliable books that are ready for reporting and tax time.